Turning 40 is one of the most financially significant moments of your life, but most people don't realize it until they're already past it. Your 40s are typically peak earning years. Salaries are higher, experience is valued, and your career usually hits its most productive phase. But simultaneously, costs explode.
40, most
Kids in
people start
college,
to panic
aging
about their
parents
money.
needing support,
But
mortgage
here's
at its
the
heaviest,
solution to
and
build
retirement
real wealth.
suddenly feels
Avoid
close.
debt and start
Here's the math that shocks most 40-year-olds. To retire comfortably at 65, you need roughly 25 times your annual expenses saved. Do you know your number?
Let's
The biggest
maximize
financial
your
mistake
savings.
people make in their 40s
Shift to
is
a balanced
lifestyle inflation.
portfolio
Earning more,
and cut
but spending
high-interest
proportionally
debt.
more, leaving the
You've got
savings rate
this.
unchanged.
Wow.
The second
Look at
major
it
mistake,
go.
not maximizing tax-advantaged retirement accounts. In your 40s, you're in prime
Yes,
earning years with higher
that is
tax brackets.
incredible.
This matters enormously. The good news? Your 40s are also when wealth acceleration becomes possible. Kids' costs eventually end, mortgages can be paid down. Income typically peaks. If you're 40 right now, here are your 3 most important financial moves. Maximize retirement contributions, eliminate high-interest debt, and diversify
Let's
income.
quickly break it down.
You don't need to be
3
perfect.
steps to
You
success.
need to be intentional.
First, analyze
People
your
who
market.
reach retirement comfortably
Next, plan
aren't
your
always the
launch.
highest earners.
Finally,
They're the
partner
most
and
consistent
take
planners.
control of your money
40
today.
is not too late. In fact, for many people, it's exactly when things finally click. Subscribe, and let's build your plan together.